Now children, we will be seeing the next method in subtraction, right? So now here I will be drawing some pictures and we will be circling out how many are not there, okay, which is the move away or the take away. So shall we start doing it? Okay. Now here I have got a flower boutique in my house, okay, in which I have various kinds of flowers and various shapes of flowers, okay, and it makes my house smell very pleasantly. How many flowers are there, children? Shall we count? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So, there are 6 flowers which I have in my boutique. Okay. Now, what happens is suddenly 2 flowers become very dry. So, what will I do? I need to circle the 2 flowers. It becomes very dry. It is not very fresh. So I cannot keep the the dull flowers with me, right? It will spoil the look of the other beautiful flowers. So it became very dry. So I had to remove those flowers. So what did I do? I circled the 2 flowers. So now what is the balance flowers which I have with me? Just count and tell me. It's 1, 2, 3 and 4. So earlier how many flowers I had? I had 6 flowers in which 2 flowers got spoiled. So what is the balance flowers left with me? It is 4. Okay. Is it interesting, children? Shall we do it with one more example? Okay. So what did we learn here? When the existing number, the bigger number, that is 6, the flowers in which 2 flowers were spoiled, minus 2 equals to 4. 6 when subtracted with 2 becomes 4. Okay. So, shall we do with the next example? Okay. Now, here I have many butterflies flying in my garden. You all like butterflies? Yes, they are very pretty, no? And they are also of different colors, shapes and sizes. Have you ever seen butterfly making any noise? No, they do not make noise. They don't disturb anyone, right? So, they are very beautiful creatures on this earth. So, what happens is, I had 4 butterflies which usually comes in my garden to suck the nectar of the flower. Now suddenly one butterfly was very sick and it left my garden. So how many butterflies are remaining in my garden now? Shall I count? It's 1, 2 and 3. So what was the original number of butterflies which I had? It was 4. And how many butterflies flew away? It was 1. So what is the balance? What is the remaining butterflies? 1, 2, 3. So 4 when subtracted with 1 gives us the balance 3. Okay? Yes. Shall we do it with the next example?